If you want to add widgets to home screen on your OnePlus 13 5G, so first of all, locate any empty space on your home screen. Now hold your finger on it. All right, and here we have to find our widgets tab at the bottom. Let's open it up, and here we'll see the list of the available widgets which we can possibly add. For example, let's add our Chrome search, and there it is. Now you can hold it, you can remove it, you can move it in any direction, and basically that's it. To remove this widget, simply hold your finger on it, press remove widget, and same goes with all of the other widgets. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.